Hi guys, I'm Katie Willcox and I'm the owner and founder of Natural Model Management in Los Angeles. People never guess that I'm actually from Casper, Wyoming. I started my own modeling agency at 25 for girls that didn't fit the straight size standard. So we decided to use that to have an influence that's different than what has been set for us. Growing up, I always played sports, but I loved makeup. I just had to have a look that was fresh and easy. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a classic, simple beauty look. So let's get started. So I love to use the Revlon ColorStay Brow Pencil. I'm just naturally kind of like grazing over the natural shape of my brow. Now I'm going to add the 120 Apricot Fantasy. It's like a nude with an orange tint. So to finish off my look, I'm just gonna add a tiny little bit of gloss. So that's my natural look that I love, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it. And you can get all of these products at your local Walmart.